I recently bought a used HP Laserjet Pro M15A for €20, an interesting model, the smallest, most affordable HP Laserjet printer in its class. A bargain given that on Amazon new it still costs around €100. Upon opening, despite being written all over the box, I was extremely surprised by its dimensions. It's so small. The design is very simple but relatively modern. Finally, my first Laserjet printer. No more problems with empty cartridges. Here we have only one black cartridge to think about that can survive especially long periods of inactivity, unlike the classic inkjets that tend to dry out. Once you have connected the power cable and the USB cable, which is not included in the package in some countries, just open it, insert a sheet of paper, and we are ready for the first start. Here I created a PDF to test the print quality, and now we can talk about the problem. On macOS, this printer does not want to print, unless we follow a procedure that unfortunately is not reported anywhere, not even in the instruction manual. In fact, I have noticed many people online rightly complaining about this problem, and not knowing how to solve it, they had to make a return on Amazon or use it exclusively on Windows, for example. And this is why this video exists. Following the official instructions from HP, you end up downloading this application. It has no use in solving our problem. In fact, I uninstalled it. If you want to use this printer on macOS, you have to go to this link that I leave you in the description. Don't worry, it's from the official HP site. From here, download HP Easy Admin. Once downloaded, open it. This simple program will allow you to download the drivers for the printer. So just enter the model, select the latest version available and start the download. Once done, install. At this point, delete the printer from the list and add it again. This time selecting HP Laserjet M14M17 instead of AirPrint. Pay attention now, this is very important. Double click on the printer to trigger this message and select Never Upgrade. At this point, the printer is fully configured and ready to use. As you can see, this time our little HP does its job. I must say that I was pleasantly surprised by the speed of printing and its quality. Conclusion: this is a great printer. It takes up very little space and prints very well. On the hardware side, HP has done a great job, but on the software side, unfortunately, there should be more clarity on the installation process. Just go to the Amazon page and read some reviews to realize how many people have the same exact problem, without even considering the many forums full of people from all over the world with this same problem. One last advice: if you have this printer, save the installation file of its drivers. We cannot take for granted the availability of HP's servers. One day it may no longer be available for download. Let me know in the comments down below if this video was useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.